Okay, Daniel, quick question.
Uh-oh. This sounds dangerous already.
Have you ever been in a conversation and said something totally wrong in another language?
Oh, wow. Let me tell you about the time I tried to speak Portuguese at a restaurant in Sao Paulo. I wanted to say I'm excited about the food, and instead I said something, inappropriate.
Oh no, I don't even want to know.
The waiter looked at me like I had serious problems.
Well, listen, we're not here to embarrass you. We're here to save you guys from awkward moments like that.
Exactly. If you're Brazilian and you're learning English, especially beginner or low intermediate, this episode is for you.
We're going to have a fun little practice session today, full of simple, real English, the kind you actually use.
No stiff grammar lessons, no textbooks, just a relaxed conversation you can use to practice everyday English naturally.
This is Mr. English Vibes, and we've got all the good vibes right here. All right, it all starts with a classic. How do you say hello?
There are so many ways. And you know what? Let's play a little game. I'll say a greeting. You tell me when you'd use it.
Okay, challenge accepted.
Number 1. Hi.
Easy. Anytime, any place. Very casual.
Number 2. Hello.
Polite. You could say it at work or to someone you don't know well.
Number 3. Good morning.
Before 12 p.m., usually at work, in emails, or if you want to sound professional.
Number 4. Hey.
To friends or people your age. Friendly and chill.
Okay, final one. Yo.
Only use that if you are in a hip-hop music video.
Exactly. Maybe skip that one today.
So you've said hi, now what?
You go with, how are you?
Now, this is very American, right?
Yep, we say it like all the time.
And usually we don't really expect a full answer.
Yeah. If someone says, how are you? Just say, I'm good, thanks. I'm fine, and you? I'm okay.
Just don't say, I'm dying slowly inside. Save that for your diary.
Okay, let's do a little demo. Sarah, you walk into a room. Ready?
All right. Hi, Daniel. How are you?
Hey, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
All good.
Boom, small talk champion.
All good. That's a really common way to say, I'm fine or no problems.
Super casual, native speakers love it. Try it next time someone asks how you're doing.
Okay, so after hi and how are you, the next thing is usually,
What's your name?
and here's a tip. You can say, my name is Anna. I'm Anna.
Don't overthink it. Just make eye contact and speak clearly. Most people are polite and will ask again if they didn't catch it.
Daniel's awkward name story. Want to hear something funny?
Oh, always.
The first time I went to Brazil, someone asked my name. I said, my name is Daniel. They thought I said Daniela.
That's a whole new person.
I answered to Daniela for a full week. I even got a coffee cup that said Danny. Mini role play. What's your name?
Let's run it again. Repeat after us if you're watching.
Hi there. What's your name?
My name is Camila. What about you?
I'm Daniel. Nice to meet you.
You too.
Boom, you just made a connection. Okay, so now what if the person wants to know where you're from?
Easy. They'll ask, where are you from?
And you can answer, I'm from Brazil. I'm from Rio. I live in Sao Paulo.
Don't say, I have Brazil. I've heard that. That's Portuguese logic, but in English we use I am from.
Let's do another quick role play. Hey, what's your name?
I'm Marina. And you?
I'm Daniel. Where are you from, Marina?
I'm from Brazil. I live in Recife.
Cool. I've heard it's beautiful.
It is.
If someone asks you a question in English, just breathe. Go slow.
And if you don't understand, just say, "Sorry, can you repeat that?" Or, "Can you speak a bit slower?"
It's totally okay. Everyone learns at their own speed.
Okay, let's talk directly to our Brazilian friends. Sometimes, Portuguese speakers have habits that come into their English.
One common thing is using have when you should use be.
Like saying, "I have 30 years." In English, we say, "I am 30 years old."
Or, I have hunger. Instead, say, I'm hungry.
Exactly. In English, we use the verb to be for age, feelings, health stuff.
Like, I'm tired. I'm cold. I'm sick. I'm hot.
It takes practice. You'll get it.
All right, viewers, it's your turn.
We're going to say a sentence. You pause and repeat after us.
Let's start. Hi, how are you? I'm good, thanks. And you? My name is...
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil. Awesome job. If you followed along, you just practiced a full English conversation.
You know what, Daniel? This reminds me. I once tried to order a salad in the US and forgot the word for lettuce.
Uh-oh.
I told the waiter, I want a salad with green stuff, not spinach, the other leaves.
Please tell me he brought you a plant.
He brought me broccoli. But hey, I tried.
All right, let's recap everything we've practiced today.
We covered greetings, hi, hello, how are you? Self-introductions, my name is, I'm. Asking about names, what's your name? Talking about where you're from. Practicing polite small talk.
And some extra tips for Brazilians, like using I am instead of I have.
Okay, now we want to hear from you. Tell us in the comments. What's your name? Where are you from in Brazil? How are you feeling today?
Write your answers in English. Don't worry about mistakes. This is a safe space.